welcome back to the channel. Sorry about my nose. I have a sinus infection because of my allergies, but let's move on. So today I'm going to show you how to do the Red Hood makeup look, and I'm obsessed with this look, so let's get into it. The first thing I did is I primed my eyes using the NARS concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to blend that out and I'm going to set it with powder. I started to draw the little scratch with a lip liner just to outline the line that I don't want to apply anything on it. Then I went in with a transition shade. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brown eyeshadow, and I started super pale, and I'm going to intensify it a little bit just to really define my crease. Next step, I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mix those three red shade, and I'm going to focus that on the outer part of my eyelid and my crease to intensify the look, and started this burgundy eyeshadow look. It's going to be so perfect. So I'm intensifying it, and I'm using a really domey brush to it for it, and yeah. Then I went back with the brush I used in the beginning just to blend the edge so we don't have any harsh lines. Then I went in with a small eyeliner brush just to fill out my lash line with a little bit of a mix of the red and purpley eyeshadow. This is just going to define the lashes, and it's also going to create a little bit more drama. Then I went in with some black eyeshadow on top of it to create more of a, smoked out black line. And I'm starting that in the outer corner, and really started the process super slow. That way the black is not too intense too fast, because it's easier to build up the look than trying to remove the intensity of the look, if that makes sense. Then I went in with some of the beige shade. This one is for Makeup Forever. I usually use this powder to set my eyeshadow, but today I used it to define the inner corner of the look so it doesn't become too smoky. And yeah, now I cannot believe I didn't show the shade that I was using, but I decided to spray my brushes with some Fix Plus, and I went in with the shimmer red of the eyeshadow palette, and the color is just so stunning. So I went that and put that in the middle of the crease to blend those two shades together. And then I went back with my finger and applied it on top, just in the middle, to create even more dimension. And also, I don't know, sparkle is just so pretty. So have fun. It's Halloween, right? Then I went back with more black to define my lash line and really smoke that out, because I really wanted the drama effect of that on my eyes, and it's just gonna help the eye color pop. Taking the same brush and the same color, which is black, I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm mainly focusing it on my eyelid and not in my crease, just because I really wanted to create that V-shaped smoked eye look, if that makes sense. So yeah, and then I took the same domey brush to blend that out, because we don't want no harsh lines, right? Then I'm adding the inner corner highlight, just to make the eyes pop again, and I'm also gonna add that highlight in my brow bones, on my brow bones. Wow, I cannot talk. And now I'm priming my face with the Hangover primer from Too Faced, and I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I think I'm using the Urban Decay mascara, which is my favorite right now. And I'm adding lashes. This one is from Kiss product. I love these. These are the lashes that you put under your eyes. I was skeptical at first, but I really like them so far. I feel like they're super easy to put on. So if you're in a rush or you just really wanted something simple, you just pop these out. You don't need any glue or anything. And I really like the style of it. They're super wispy, but they really make your lashes super natural. Okay, then I'm going in with some eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm using the NYX eyeliner for this, which was brand new, and I have to say I really like it. I went back with some black eyeshadow to blend out the lower lash line, and I also added a little bit of the purple reddish shade. This is just gonna help, again, make the look, come together and also make it look super smoky and super intense because it's Halloween, like I said. We want to have fun. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight, like liquid highlight, before my foundation because I really wanted a glowy skin for this look. And then I'm gonna go in with some concealer, again using the NARS concealer. The formula is amazing, and you have to set it with the Laurier Mercier powder because these two together are like the best combo. Not the MAC Studio Fix, which I'm really surprised, but you know. Then I went in with some blush, but I realized I forgot to set my face, so that's why I went in a little patchy, so don't forget that. Adding a little bit more highlight, super subtle highlight though, but yeah. And then I went in with my favorite lip combo, like lip product at the moment. I feel like they are the best liquid lipstick I've ever worn in my life. These are the Urban Decay Vice lipstick. This shade is X Lover, if I'm not, I believe I'm correct. The formula is super creamy and they are so good. I don't know what I just said, by the way. So good. Like they will not stain whatsoever. So, you know. Then I went in with the Kryolan wheel. I think it's the Burn and Bruises or something like that wheel. And I went in with the red. I decided to fill out the little scars that I did with the lip liner in the beginning, if you remember. And then we're going to go in from there. I'm going to fill them out also with the same shade. And yeah, you really want to take your time and be precise because like you cannot remove the red. It's really like it's a really creamy product, so be really precise and take a really detailed small brush for this. Okay, next step, I'm gonna go in with a darker red, and I'm only gonna focus that on certain areas to create more depth in like a almost like a 3D dimension. You can also do this look with like molding wax, which is what was my other idea, but I feel like for more like simple and easy to achieve look, I feel like this technique is just, I don't know, it's just more simple for my, you know, my people who are doing this for Halloween. I feel like this wheel, by the way, is super versatile. I got mine from Boutique Cial and I really recommend it. I'm gonna leave the address down below if you want to check it out. This is a wheel that's gonna last you forever and you're gonna create like so many looks with it. So really recommend it. So anyway, I went in and applied it a little bit in the middle and I'm gonna go back with an even darker shade. Okay, so with the dark burgundy shade, I went in and did the edge to create more of a 3D effect, like I said, like a scar almost. Because usually like these type of scars will be like deep, so you really want to create the shadow to make it look deep. I could even like could have used the a little bit like of white to create more of a 3D effect and apply that on the edge of my skin where the scars appear, so that will make it even more like 3D. But yeah, you really want to take your time with it and really only focusing that on only one side of the scar just to make it look even more realistic because usually like the light will hit and that's like the angle that the light hit is the angle that the shadow hit, if that makes sense. So yeah, be mindful of that when you're doing it and don't get distracted like I'm doing right now. I'm probably watching or listening to music, I don't know. But yeah, so take your time, have fun, and yeah. Okay, the next step is going in with a little bit of black right now, like I'm doing. I'm only going to focus on certain areas and where the scar should be deeper. And like I said, right now I'm focusing almost on the edge to make it look deeper. Again, I keep saying deeper. Like take a shot every time I say deeper. But anyway, so yeah. I'm just focusing that on the edge, and that's pretty much it. Okay, last step, which is probably my favorite. No, it's not the last, sorry, but it's my favorite. This is adding blood to it. So you can pretty much do whatever feels natural to you. I added scalp blood in those scar just to make it look like it's, you know, bleeding, but like really deep bleeding, if that makes sense. So the thicker the blood, the better. I think I said that in another video, and I'm gonna still gonna say it. This is also the type of blood that will dry, but that the texture will still be here. It will not move. So that's why I really like this blood as well. You can mix those two blood, and I'm gonna show you like with the other blood what I'm gonna do. But I'm mainly focusing this type of blood on the dark tissue of the look. And I really like to use like tweezers for that. So you're gonna see me use tweezers in a few seconds. This is just the best because it has like a hold and it's like, it's not like a brush. So I think it's just better and you have more like precision to hide it where you are, and you can also create more texture. So anyway, have fun with it. Add as much blood as you want. And now we're gonna add fresh blood. I'm gonna use my finger for it because I think I left it a little bit open and it's like less liquidy, and it's also like almost gone. I need to buy more. It's just so weird to say I need to buy more blood. Like, who does that? I don't know, me apparently. So I use my finger really lightly. Don't take too much at a time because it won't look as realistic. I also like to use like toothbrush to do that, or just a fan brush is really the best, which I didn't have on hand, so bear with me. And then you should look something like that. And lastly, this is the only accessories that you pretty much need. You can do any outfit that you like, but this is pretty much like, you know, part of the look. You have no choice. I got mine from Amazon. I like it. The quality is amazing. I mean, you can kind of tell. The color is insane. I'm gonna link it down below. I think it was like 12 bucks maybe. Super nice. I also like the fact that this was like half a cape, so you can have a cute outfit underneath. It's also giving Pretty Liars vibes, so you know. And then you can do anything you want with your hair. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. I hope you found it fun. Let me know if you tried this look, and tell me in the comments, by the way, what is your favorite look so far in the series. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow for another look. Bye, guys.